Hello and welcome to the Community Portal. Today we're going to be going over the My Equipment tab, My Service Request tab, Customer Agreements, and how to view work orders. Located on the home page, you are able to view active work orders. As you can see shown, they are organized by the work order number, account name, status, priority, type, and the date and time. You can sort each column by pressing down on them. To the right of the page is the service request message box, where you can enter your personalized service request. For example, let's say I need a service request on a specific patient monitor at my facility. I would then type a brief single sentence about the problem in the subject field, then select the specified equipment name. In the description, I would include the make, the serial number, and the model number. I would then choose whether the repair of my product is low, normal, high, or critical priority to the service staff. You can also add any attached information like photos of the item in disrepair. When you've entered all information that could be helpful, press submit, and the service request will now show all the details. And when we go back to home, it also shows under your open work orders. The My Equipment tab displays your equipment list. There are multiple tabs that you can organize it under. For instance, there is the serial number, the warranty, and the product code. Just like the home page, My Service Request tab displays all of your open work orders. Here you can see that it shows the work order that I just submitted. The Customer Agreement tab shows your active and inactive contracts. You can also organize them by start date or end date when pressing down on them. I hope you thought this was informative. Thank you for watching.